Make a splash this season with the Raquel Welch Spring 2019 collection. It's gorgeous, ready-to-wear hair that gives you instant style, effortless styling, endless compliments. Just as natural and easygoing as a wig can be. Now, every day is a great hair day with Raquel's Spring 2019 collection. On your game is max style, max flair. Ready-to-wear hair that's a win-win. Short, but not too short, and long on style. A little choppy length on top gives this the edge you need to keep you on your game. On point, in fashion. On trend, on point. Straight, chic, and sleek. Ready-to-wear hair that's slightly retro, but totally forward. On point has the most style, the least care. Free time is all about gorgeous waves, out to there. Ready-to-wear hair with soft, shoulder-skimming movement, plus volume to spare. A modern vibe that's downtown cool, uptown chic. You don't have to be a great stylist to get great styles. The wigs in Raquel's 2019 spring collection don't just fit beautifully, they fit beautifully into your day or your evening. They're easygoing, they're ready to wear, so you'll look good all the time in no time.